Hi, how are you? I'm Gail and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share a little tip with eyeliner to give your eyes an instant lift without the need for cosmetic surgery. If this sounds good to you, then please keep on watching. So you can see the difference just a bit of mascara and this little eyeliner trick does for your eyes. You can see this one is, well, I think it looks lifted and quite nice, and the other one is, well, you know, it's a bit droopy, maybe not really droopy, but it just lacks something, and I look kind of half asleep. What do you think? You can use any kind of eyeliner for this trick. Gel, liquid, pencil, whatever's your favourite method. I'm actually going to use a black eyeshadow as an eyeliner. I find it's really forgiving if you make any mistakes, it's easy to remove, and it's got amazing blendability as well. It's really soft, and this is just a quick, easy 5-minute kind of eyeliner, you know, nothing over the top. And this here is the brush that I'm going to use. It's a matte brush, really thin, slim brush. I think it's the 209. I will link it in the description box below. And my black eyeshadow is this one. Again, it's by MAC, and it's in the shade Carbon. What I find is really amazing is if you actually dip your brush into water or setting spray first, it's like painting really, and then swirl it around. See? Just pick up pigment like that. So easy. Now, the trick to actually making sure that you don't go too far or too wide is to actually look straight ahead into a mirror with your eyes open. Now you see here I've got this kind of like crease going on here. It comes quite far down and my lashes come quite low too. I am going to actually place the liner before that crease starts kind of like impacting on the liner, because if you try and draw a line over that crease area, you're just going to get a really weird, wiggly, strange looking line when you open your eye. It might look great, you know, when you're like this, but when you open your eyes, it's going to look horrible. So I've got a mirror here. So I'm going to start here. Put a little dot, okay? And then I'm going to sweep it back up towards my lash line. Like that. And then I'm just going to take my little cotton bud and just sweep it up. Easy as that. Now also, if you're going to line across your eye, I always find it's better to keep the line super thin on the upper lash line, only because it can make your eye look heavy. It'll go the opposite way. Instead of lifting your eye, it'll bring your eye down. So I go really, really close to the lash line and just literally dab it. I mean, minimal skill is required to do this. The key is having a really, really slim, thin brush, so you have immense control over it. And then I take it really, really gently towards the inner corner. That brings it all together, adds a bit of definition. What do you think? Right. And underneath the eye, again, if you put too much liner underneath, you close your eye up, which, I mean, if you've got large eyes, you might want to make them look a little bit smaller, but I tend to just stop halfway, well, a third in, sorry. I'll come as far as here, just like maybe there. And I join up, let me dip my brush in again. There. Now, it doesn't have to be like, you know, dead symmetrical. Doesn't need to be symmetrical. You know, our eyes, like our eyebrows, they're not twins, they're cousins. So more often than not, one eye is not going to be the same as the other, and it's the same with me. One of my eyes has like a deeper crease than the other eye. I don't know, it's part of getting older, I guess. What do you think? Now, one more thing. Mascara. And that's the finishing touch. I'm using two Max Factor mascaras, not at the same time, obviously. Well, kind of at the same time. I like the brush for this one. But I like the consistency of this one. So let's just add a bit more. To the lower lashes, just to give a bit more definition. A bit more on this side as well. And finish off with just a tiny bit of mascara. There we go, job done. Don't worry if it's not perfectly symmetrical on both of your eyes. Why? Because our eyes aren't symmetrical. Our faces aren't, you know, they're different on each side, so it's not a biggie. I mean, this is literally just a quick 2-minute little eyeliner trick to lift the eyes. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, I'd love it if you would click the like button and give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're interested in seeing more of my uploads, please do think about subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell so that you don't miss any future uploads. Anyhow, it's been great, and have a lovely day. Sorry, my hair. Sorry, gosh. and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Bye everyone!